What is going on, guys? It's your boy Zahnymedia here with your boy Depict.it, and today we're going to be cutting the wide body for the gas cap because this man's is out of gas and
it's over, man.
Gas.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. I am headed over to Zahnyboy's house right now. We are about to go work on the Accord. We gotta cut this gas cap today so I can get gas for StanceWars in 2 days. Right now, we're headed to Lowe's first to get a cutoff wheel so we can do some trimming. All right, let's get it. So this is why I need my gas cap cut today, because StanceWars is in Seattle and it's definitely gonna take me more gas than that to get there. And the thing about the Honda is it's really wacky. So that that empty light can be anywhere from no gas to like 6 gallons of gas. So it's just really wacky, but you know what? Better safe than sorry, right? So yeah, let's head in there right now. We're actually at Lowe's right now. There it is. Woo! I have found the aisle of Dremels, and I think we're just gonna pick up, these are too big, I think. I just want a small one. I don't think they sell individual small ones. Huh, that's really odd. Maybe these ones? It's $9. 11 bucks, what the hell? Can we just get one, or? Huh, that's wacky. Because these are like $1. Would not mind that. So apparently Lowe's doesn't really carry individual ones, so I did get one of each. This is the tiny one that has the tiny hole. This one has the weird like easy lock thing. Hopefully that works. I don't know. Alright, let's go. And we have made it. It's your boy Zahny up in the hoe. Yeah, so let's go ahead, grab these, see which one fits. And it's the man himself. What up, dude? Alrighty, so we are here now.
Yeah,
got your boy Zahny. We will be cutting soon. I got 2 types. I don't know which one will fit.
Well,
which one do you think? Alright, let's see what we got.
What we got.
They're both Dremel brand.
Okay, we'll make it work.
Yeah, let's do it. Show me what you got, boy.
This is our wireless Dremel.
Right on. Wireless is good. This is what we want. We don't want cords, none of that shit.
Yeah. So, I don't know how the fuck these fit together.
This comes off.
Yeah, I don't know how.
And there's a screw on top.
Yeah, I think it comes out of here because those. If you look at the box, look at this out.
Yeah.
All these ones,
what are we looking at?
they all come off of their own.
Yeah, and then there's the cutoff disc.
Oh, okay, sweet. So that means you just need.
Let's do it.
Probably just need a different tip that would fit the cutoff.
No. So here's how it works. You
also,
take,
careful to hit the power button. The shit'll go off.
Okay, so what we do is we. Oh, don't do that. Don't want my hands in there.
Yeah.
So what we do is we get a little Phillips head, or not a Phillips, a flathead.
Yeah.
And just twist that off. That's it.
Let's do it.
No, that's not the right size. Rip. Alright guys, I'm gonna make this super ghetto. I'm just gonna put this on top and make it fucking work. Let's do it.
You should shoot off.
Oh, it's probably going to.
You know what? If that works, I'm impressed. Holy shit, that's a good idea.
Make do with what you
Make
got,
sure you sock
man.
that fucker down, though.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm so shaky. I don't know why.
I have surgeon hands, boy.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Let's see.
Oh, hold on. Woo! That was my finger. It looks like it works. Alright, let's do it.
Just make sure it's still tight, then.
Yeah, it's tight.
What was it, the Dremel? Jeez, don't hit the button on the Dremel, dude.
I know.
Call you young Dremel dick out here.
So we're gonna cut like less first, because you can always cut more.
Yeah, you can't
never cut less. Yo guys, leave a comment down below. Should I get a haircut? I don't know. Oh, yep. But hey, hold on. It's usually up though.
It's full bun season.
Full bun season. I don't know. I kind of like it. I kind of don't. Everybody's been telling me to cut it. I want you guys to tell me what you think.
It's an ibis.
Yeah.
I'm like, damn, ain't no way I'm this steady.
Alright guys, Zahn's really smart. I was gonna do it anyway.
Zahn's a dumbass is what he means.
No. But we're gonna take off the fender first.
Unless you ever decide to go back to stock body.
Oh, that one's loose. Yeah, so we're getting hardware soon. Don't mind this. We're gonna get the riveting ones that have that we rivet into the body, and then we just have to use an Allen key to get them out. That's gonna be amazing. But for now, we're running these screws.
I wish the Fuji had IBIS.
That's what I'm saying.
Is that the last one?
Huh?
Is that the last one?
No, I got one more.
Oh, one more.
Got it off the car. Now we're just gonna start trimming, and then hopefully, oh my god, that's dirty as fuck.
Jesus Christ, bro.
You like my cut job, guys?
You're gonna give me tetanus.
Okay, hold on. So what's gonna happen is
Let me explain myself.
we're gonna cut more. Yes, we need to cut more for the bags. And then we're gonna.
I'm scared you're fucking gonna run into it with what you have now. Like right here, you run in with your tire. I don't know how much
Yeah, I hit it sometimes.
to be like that.
But we want to bang all of this up, all the way up in there, and then we should be good to go. Yeah, but for now.
All right, cool. Let's cut this shit. I'm too white for this shit. You won't drum your tongue off?
Bet.
100 retweets.
100 retweets. I don't even have a Twitter. All right, guys.
Well, you're in luck.
We're starting.
Go a little easier on it. Is it turning itself off?
That's nice.
That's weird.
That's good. Pro tip, don't breathe in.
Yeah.
This is fiberglass.
Oh, well,
Do we have a...
thanks for telling me after breathing this in. Damn it.
I did too.
If you or a loved one has been diagnosed with mesothelioma,
I'm gonna die.
You may be entitled to compensation.
Let's fit it up.
We'll put like 1 or 2 test screws in. I don't think we need to do all of them, just in case we need to recut, you know?
No, we're definitely gonna need a cut more.
Do you know how much more?
Use the thing.
That's probably good. We just set the screws other way. Do you want to put 2 in so you rotate it correctly?
No, it's good. It's about right.
Yeah, those lines are. Yeah.
The holes line up, so it's about right. Cutting some more.
I don't know what I'm doing here. I just decided to turn it around. Anywho, we cut once, measured again, cutting for a second time. Alex is going down and do that. He's got the mask on because we've got, you know, fiberglass and all that jazz, and cancer's bad. So, anyway, that's where we're at on that front. He's working on that. I'm taking over his cameraman. I do cameras anyway. Follow me on Instagram at Zahnymedia. Alright, test fit 3. I'm 3.
Damn close.
Even closer. Through here.
Okay. This is kind of sketchy.
Hook. Right there. Get fiberglass.
Alrighty, guys, we are done here. It's not cleaned yet, but it is. It works. Let's go ahead and pop that for you guys. Woo! Now I can get gas. It doesn't need to go all the way. I don't want it to do that, so it, you know, still maintains its shape, but at least it works now. Awesome, I'm excited. Now we're gonna wash it up a little bit. Oh boy, Lord. Alrighty. We are going to the park real quick. Zahn's dipping out. Well, I'm dipping out of Zahn's house.
I live here.
He lives he lives here. So he will see you in the next vlog that he's in. Yo, hit that shit, boy.
What's the next vlog? We in StanceWars? You vlogging
Oh
StanceWars?
yeah, I'm not vlogging StanceWars. I'm doing media for StanceWars.
Just get a clip of me waving at you or something.
Alright.
Yeet!
I just left Zahn's house. I just got pulled over, bro. Ripperoni. But we are here with Eric and them. They are all in front of me right now. but I just got stopped for a traffic violation. Well, he said there's a lot wrong with the car, so I don't know, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully he's really nice about it. Oh man. So Eric,
somebody's impulsive,
bought a new car. Goddamn, what happened to the other one? Did you just trade it in?
Front angle. You should get an angle from the front.
Oh yeah?
Fucking aggressive.
Also, shout out to that cop right there. He was amazing. He was like, yeah, I'm a car guy too, so don't worry about it. But apparently there's a lot wrong with my car, he said.
I'm impulsive.
Yeah, no kidding. So what made you decide?
I don't know, but I still own the other car too.
Nice. So yeah, that's kind of fucked.
So
what are you gonna do?
Sell it.
Good, good.
Yeah.
Financial mistake.
But
part that shit out, man.
But black rims. Give it a lip. You know, do some power shifters.
Yeah, you better wait on that. You don't have money for that
It's
shit.
got the red interior. I paid $1,000 out of pocket today.
Hey, that's not bad. Man, oh my god, that is beautiful. Awesome, awesome.
Heads up display.
Heads up display. It has everything you wanted except for the other cameras. So you're good, man. That's beautiful. I love it. I love it. So, oh, hello. Damn, bro, this is sick. Oh yeah. Well, you know what? If you think it's, dude, it's beautiful. I don't know.
And for $800, I could do a piggyback tune and get 422 horsepower, 500
There you go,
pound,
man. There you go. So it's worth it. You know what? Just sell the other car and you're golden.
Right.
Man, you're good. You're good. Yo guys, thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and the notification bell to make sure you keep up to date with my videos. We are signing off for today. Got the whole squad out here, but we're about to go just chill out, hit the gym, whatever, man. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I hope you guys are excited for what's to come. Also, I got a package in the mail today, and you guys won't know what's coming. It has to do with lighting, so I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.